Hello everyone, my name is Bryce and I'm a senior here at Allegheny High School. Last year, I was able to score a 5 on the AP Calculus BC exam. And now, I want to take what I learned and help all of you so you can get the best possible score on your exam this May. Now first I want to dive into what the difference between AP Calculus AB and BC is. Pretty much, Calculus AB is the first semester of calculus you'll take in college. And then BC takes that and extends it through the second semester. So AB would be a College Calculus 1, and BC is College Calculus 1 and 2. And as you can see, they have different exam weightings. In the beginning, the first few units, you see less of those on the BC exam than you see on the AB exam. But then when we get down to Unit 9 and 10, those aren't on the AB exam at all. They're strictly for the BC exam. Most of what you'll be focusing on in this curriculum is the difference between lines and curves. Some of the things you'll be talking about is slope, right? If I asked you to find the slope of this straight line right here, that'd be easy. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But if I asked you for the slope of this curve right here, that's a little more tricky, right? That's where calculus comes into play. And just the same, if I asked for the area of this region right here, you'd be like, easy. It's just 1/2 base times height, triangle formula. But if I asked you for the area under this curve, you haven't learned a formula to do that yet. And that's what calculus is. And you'll be focusing on stuff like this for the first 8 units. And then in Unit 9, for the BC curriculum, you'll be doing the same thing, but with unique functions. One of those functions are vector-valued functions. So normally, you'd have y equals x plus 3, something like this. But with vector-valued functions, you have a separate function for both the x and y values. X could be equal to 3t, and y could be equal to 4t minus 1. That's strictly an example. That's what you kind of see in Unit 9. And then Unit 10, we focus on infinite series. So a series, let's say we have the series 1/2 n. N equals 1, you get 1/2. N equals 2, 1/4, and then 1/8, and then you repeat that. If you add up all these values up to infinity, it doesn't actually equal infinity. It converges to a value. And that's what we'll learn in Unit 10 of AP Calculus. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we're going to dive into Unit 1. And good luck in your calculus class. You got this.